Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity because e to the power of 2s is bigger than e to the power of s. That's why this one will go to positive infinity. So that means numerator that goes to positive infinity. That goes to positive infinity. About s, this is about denominator. So when they goes to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L hospital. So we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of this one, we have 2e to the power of 2s minus e to the power of s over e to the power of 2s minus e to the power of s plus 1. This one we have number 1. So we simplify and we have this one like this. Next, we divide both sides by e to the power of 2s because this is about the highest power in here. So this one divided by this one, so we have number 2. E to the power of s divided by e to the power of 2s. We have 1 over e to the power of s. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over e to the power of s. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you have 0. Similar for this one and this one. So we can get the final answer. And we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.